Welcome to Health Nugget Media Channel, where we provide health-related nuggets and answer critical health questions to give valuable guides. Please, subscribe to this channel. Today's question we wish to address is, how to do intermittent fasting, the benefits, what to eat, and how to make it work for you. Intermittent fasting has been a popular trend in the health and wellness industry for several years now. It is a type of diet pattern that involves alternating periods of fasting with periods of eating. Studies show that intermittent fasting can have numerous benefits, including weight loss, improved metabolism, and reduced risk of chronic diseases. According to a study published in the journal, Cell Metabolism, intermittent fasting can improve cellular repair processes, boost brain function and increase longevity. The benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have several health benefits. One of the main benefits is weight loss. A study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that participants who practiced intermittent fasting lost 3 to 8% of their body weight, compared to those who didn't. Intermittent fasting can also improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation in the body. According to a study published in the journal, Cell Metabolism, intermittent fasting can reduce oxidative stress and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. What to eat during intermittent fasting? When it comes to what to eat during intermittent fasting, it's important to focus on eating nutrient-dense foods. This includes plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Intermittent fasting is not about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods, says Dr. Jason Fung, a fasting expert and author of The Complete Guide to Intermittent Fasting. According to a study published in the journal, Nutrition and Metabolism, consuming a diet high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats during intermittent fasting can increase satiety, improve metabolism and promote weight loss. How to make intermittent fasting work for you? Intermittent fasting can be customized to fit your lifestyle and goals. Some popular methods include the 16/8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. And the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days and restrict calories for 2 days. Experiment with different methods and find what works best for you. According to a study published in the journal, Nutrition and Metabolism, it's important to start slow and gradually increase the duration of fasting. This can help your body adjust to the new diet pattern and reduce the risk of side effects such as headaches, fatigue, and dizziness. In conclusion, intermittent fasting has been shown to offer numerous health benefits. When it comes to what to eat during intermittent fasting, focus on nutrient-dense foods and customize the method to fit your lifestyle and goals. However, it's important to note that fasting may not be suitable for everyone, especially for individuals with medical conditions. As always, consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new diet regimen. A study published in the journal, Obesity Reviews, recommends that individuals with medical conditions or who are pregnant or breastfeeding should avoid intermittent fasting. Thank you for watching this video. Try to comment below and share this video. Please, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you once again.